Welcome back to Chanel. The all-new 2025 Maruti Suzuki Omni marks the return of an iconic vehicle, reimagined for modern times while retaining the practicality and reliability that made its predecessor a household name. As you approach the van, its refreshed design is immediately noticeable. The boxy silhouette that defined the original Omni remains, but with a sleeker, more aerodynamic touch. The front grille has been redesigned for a bolder look, complemented by LED headlights that enhance visibility and give the van a modern aesthetic. The compact yet sturdy build ensures it remains a perfect choice for both personal and commercial use, particularly in urban environments where maneuverability is key. Stepping inside, the interior has undergone a significant transformation. Gone are the utilitarian elements of the past, replaced by a well-thought-out cabin that prioritizes comfort and technology. The spacious seating arrangement can comfortably accommodate up to 8 passengers, making it ideal for large families, transport services, or businesses that require a multi-purpose vehicle. The dashboard now features a touchscreen infotainment system with seamless smartphone connectivity, providing access to navigation, music, and hands-free communication. Improved upholstery, better insulation for noise reduction, and strategically placed air conditioning vents contribute to a more enjoyable ride, whether on short city trips or long-distance travel. One of the standout aspects of the 2025 Omni is its versatility. The rear sliding doors ensure easy access, especially in tight parking spaces. The seats can be folded or removed to create additional cargo space, catering to various needs such as goods transport or adventure getaways. Whether it's being used as a family car, a shuttle service, or a delivery vehicle, the Omni adapts effortlessly. The new model also offers a more ergonomic driving position, with an improved steering wheel design and a digital instrument cluster that provides real-time driving data. Performance-wise, Maruti Suzuki has equipped the new Omni with a refined, fuel-efficient engine that balances power and economy. Designed for city commuting and highway cruising alike, the van offers smooth acceleration and responsive handling. The lightweight yet sturdy chassis ensures stability, while an updated suspension system provides a more comfortable drive over rough roads. With fuel prices constantly fluctuating, the emphasis on efficiency makes the Omni an attractive option for cost-conscious buyers. Safety has been a major focus in this updated version. Unlike older models that were often criticized for their lack of safety features, the 2025 Omni incorporates modern enhancements to protect passengers and drivers alike. Dual front airbags, an anti-lock braking system ABS, electronic brake force distribution EBD, and reinforced structural integrity significantly improve safety in the event of a collision. Additionally, parking sensors, rear-view cameras, and driver assistance alerts help navigate busy roads with confidence. Overall, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Omni is a nostalgic yet forward-thinking vehicle that successfully bridges the gap between the past and the future. It remains true to its legacy of affordability, practicality, and ease of use while introducing the features and refinements expected in today's automotive market. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking for a reliable workhorse or a family in need of a spacious and economical vehicle, the new Omni delivers on all fronts. With its improved design,